Domino.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Here are my 3 tips for Rockschool Grade 2's Domino. Tip number 1. Make sure that you learn the rhythm very accurately. Once you get past the first 2 bars, it's essentially the same for the rest of the song, so it's worth spending time on it. Tip number 2. At the C section, we have a variation of the rhythm whereby we're playing a 3-note chord instead of a 2-note chord. Make sure that you play this clearly. Tip number 3. The D section gives us another variation of the rhythm, only this time we don't have any muted notes. Make sure that you play the chords nice and clearly so that each of the voices in the chord can be heard.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button below and hit that bell to get notified every single time we post a new video. To help you practice for your next Trinity, ABRSM or Rockschool exam, check out the rest of our channel and watch more great pieces. Of course, if you have any ideas for new videos you want us to create, leave them in the comments. We love to read them and get your feedback. You can also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. All the links are in the description below. Thank you for your suggestions, keep watching, and we'll see you in the next video. And remember, learn, play, repeat.